Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making borscht. I absolutely love this soup. It is a very traditional Ukrainian soup, but there are so many recipes, so many ways you can make it. Now this is just my take on it. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, you're going to need 2 large potatoes, large beet, large carrot. Now the beets and carrots, I grate them on the large size of the grater. Half an onion, some tomato paste, chunk of beef. Try to get one with a bone in it because it will give you a better broth. Half a cabbage, some garlic, salt and pepper. And at the very end, we're going to need some fresh parsley and fresh dill weed. Now if you don't have fresh, you can use dried because this is home cooking. You use whatever you have in the house. Okay, so in a large pot of cold water, I'm going to put the beef. I'm going to throw in the onions as well and some salt. And we're going to cook the beef until it is tender so we can shred it. I'm going to throw in the onions and garlic right now because I want it to cook with the meat together. Also, we're going to salt it. I'm going to turn on the water and cook it until the beef is tender. Now the cabbage needs to be sliced very thinly, otherwise you're going to be biting on a chunk of cabbage. I just do it like this. And of course I remove the core and just go ahead and slice it about this big. Our water is up to a boil and our meat is nice and tender, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I'm going to let it cool and then I'm going to shred the meat. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put my veggies in. Potatoes, carrots, cabbage. Try not to burn yourself. All the beets. And the tomato paste. Go ahead and stir it in. I'm going to shred the beef, put it back, and then we will cook it until the potatoes are tender. Put the shredded beef back. Don't shred it too fine. Make sure it's still chunks of beef. Now we're gonna let it come to a boil and we will cook it just until the potatoes are done. I have checked. The potatoes are done. They're nice and tender. That means everything else is cooked as well. And now we're going to go ahead and throw in some fresh dill and parsley. And we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to close the lid and we'll let it sit for 5 minutes.
Alright, Ava, let's taste this borscht. This is good. Give us thumbs up and click the button down below. And bye bye. Bye bye. See you.